Marc Chaikin, a Wall Street veteran with over 5 decades of experience, launched Chaikin's Breakthrough Investor in June 2025, a new investment research service that claims to pinpoint the top 2.3% of stocks poised to double or triple in value, even in volatile markets. Built on Chaikin's trusted power gauge system and enhanced with a novel earnings quality (EQ) filter, the service targets double bullish stocks in innovative sectors like AI. With a bold prediction of a market shakeup starting July 7, 2025, Chaikin promises to guide investors to evergreen winners while avoiding major losers. Here, I'll explore the service's features, methodology, track record, and value to determine if it's worth the $2,500 charter price. Let's dive into what makes Chaikin's Breakthrough Investor a potential game changer for 2025. What is Chaikin's Breakthrough Investor? Chaikin's Breakthrough Investor is a subscription-based research service launched by Chaikin Analytics in June 2025 in collaboration with Joe Austin, a former advisor to a billionaire family. The service aims to identify the top 2.3% of publicly traded stocks, approximately 115 out of 5,000, that exhibit high earnings quality and bullish power gauge ratings. These double bullish stocks, often in sectors like artificial intelligence, AI, are touted as capable of delivering 100% to 200% returns or more in both bull and bear markets. Chaikin predicts a volatile market starting July 7, 2025, driven by second quarter earnings reports, and positions the service as a tool to navigate this chaos. Highlighting stocks like Bentley Systems, BSY, an AI-driven digital twin company, the service combines monthly recommendations, advanced analytics, and exclusive bonuses to give subscribers an edge. Key features of the service: Power Gauge System. The backbone of the service, the Power Gauge analyzes 5,000 stocks daily, assigning bullish, bearish, or neutral ratings based on 20 fundamental and technical factors, such as net free cash flow, debt levels, and price-volume trends. It aims to predict Wall Street's ratings in advance, helping investors time their trades. For example, it rated NEO bullish in September 2020 for a 195% gain in 70 days, and bearish in February 2021 before a 91% crash. Earnings quality, EQ, filter. Developed by Joe Austin, the EQ filter evaluates earnings quality using 2 metrics. Cash conversion measures how much of reported earnings becomes actual cash. High cash conversion, for example, 100% or more, like Autodesk's 103% in 2002, which led to a 443% gain, indicates a sustainable business. Accruals tracks the gap between reported earnings and cash received, often due to delayed billing. Low or negative accruals, for example, -3% for ELF Beauty, signal reliable earnings, while high accruals, like WorldCom's before its $11 billion fraud, warn of risks. Stocks are rated very high, high, neutral, low, or very low, with only very high or high qualifying for picks. Double bullish ratings. Stocks earning both a bullish power gauge rating and an EQ high rating are labeled double bullish. Representing just 2.3% of the market, these are pitched as low-risk, high-reward investments. Examples include Moderna, 1,808% gain over 17 months, and Broadcom, 241% gain in 18 months. Monthly stock picks. Subscribers receive an initial portfolio of 5 double bullish stocks, followed by monthly recommendations. These target innovative companies, such as those using AI, across industries like tech, finance, and pet food. Bonus tools and reports. EQ Power Gauge. Access. A 1-year subscription, valued at $5,000 to screen any stock's EQ rating. Stansberry's EQ Power Picks, a $2,000 report curating top double bullish stocks from Stansberry Research. EQ Masterclass, a video by Joe Austin explaining the EQ filter. Chaikin's #1 Breakthrough Stock for 2025, a report on Bentley Systems, BSY. Top 5 stocks to avoid now, a list of double bearish stocks to steer clear of. Marc's Market Insights, a $999 monthly briefing on market trends. Discovery Engine, a Netflix-style tool recommending stocks similar to top performers, included in the Power Gauge Pro subscription. Pricing and guarantee. The regular price for a 1-year subscription is $5,000. but a charter offer reduces it to $2,500, a 50% discount for a package valued at $15,000. The service includes a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Subscribers can receive a full credit refund toward other Chaikin Analytics or Stansberry Research products. The EQ filter, a revolutionary edge. The earnings quality EQ filter, crafted by Joe Austin, is the service's standout innovation. It tackles a pervasive issue. Many companies inflate earnings through accounting gimmicks. The filter uses two key metrics to cut through this noise. Cash conversion. A high cash conversion rate, for example, 100% or more, shows earnings are backed by real cash. Autodesk's 103% cash conversion in 2002, for instance, preceded a 443% gain over 2 years. Accruals. Low or negative accruals indicate trustworthy earnings, as there's minimal discrepancy between reported profits and cash. High accruals, like WorldCom's before its collapse, signal potential fraud or weakness. The EQ filter assigns stocks one of 5 ratings, very high to very low, with only very high or high stocks eligible for recommendations. When combined with a bullish power gauge rating, these double bullish stocks are the service's prime targets. Backtested results highlight its power. Broadcom, AVGO, double bullish on December 9, 2022, for a 241% gain in 18 months. Immunovant, IMVT, double bullish, delivering a 1,033% gain in 10 months. LF Beauty, ELF, double bullish on September 16, 2022, for a 251% gain in 12 months, then flagged as double bearish on July 15, 2024, avoiding a 67% crash. Moderna, mRNA, double bullish on March 11, 2020, for a 1,808% gain over 17 months. MicroStrategy, MSTR, double bullish on October 24, 2008, for a 119% gain during the Great Financial Crisis. While back-tested, these results suggest the EQ filter's ability to identify winners and avoid losers, even in tough markets. The July 7, 2025 prediction. Chaikin's forecast for July 7, 2025, is a key selling point. He predicts that second quarter earnings reports will trigger significant market volatility, exposing stocks with weak earnings quality while rewarding those with strong fundamentals. Examples of vulnerable stocks include Tesla, TSLA, dropped 41% after disappointing earnings. Intel, INTC, suffered its worst drop since 1974 after missing earnings. Amazon, AMZN, fell 31% despite beating earnings twice. JetBlue, JBLU, plunged 58% despite consistent earnings beats. Chaikin argues these stocks, propped up by the 2024 bull market, will falter when their low earnings quality is revealed. In contrast, double bullish stocks like Bentley Systems are pitched as safe harbors with big return potential. Chaikin's history of accurate calls, like the 2020 and 2022 crashes, lends weight to this prediction. Strengths of Chaikin's breakthrough investor. Proven track record. Chaikin's 50-year career and accurate market predictions, plus the power gauge's success with picks like NVIDIA, 410% gain, give the service credibility. Subscriber stories like Chuck F. Bauer's $300,000 in 2023 highlight its potential. Innovative EQ filter. By focusing on cash conversion and accruals, the EQ filter offers a unique way to spot reliable earnings, addressing the issue of accounting manipulation noted in 86% of companies, per Bloomberg. Robust toolkit. Bonuses like the EQ Power Gauge, Stansberry's EQ Power Picks, and the Discovery Engine provide a $15,000 value package, making the $2,500 price a steal. Timely insights. The July 7, 2025 prediction positions subscribers to profit from market volatility with actionable picks and strategies. Low risk guarantee. The 30-day satisfaction guarantee, with full credit refunds, reduces risk. Is it worth it? At $2,500, down from $5,000, Chaikin's breakthrough investor is a compelling deal. The $15,000 worth of tools, including the EQ Power Gauge and Stansberry's EQ Power Picks, offers immense value for serious investors. Chaikin's track record, the EQ filter's innovation, and the July 7th prediction make it a strong choice for navigating 2025's markets. The refund guarantee minimizes risk, letting you test the service confidently. It's ideal for investors comfortable with tech-driven stocks and ready to leverage advanced tools. If you're aiming for big gains in a volatile market, this service could be your edge. Conclusion. Marc Chaikin's Breakthrough Investor is a powerhouse, blending the proven power gauge with the innovative EQ filter to target the top 2.3% of stocks with massive potential. Backed by Chaikin's 50-year expertise, Joe Austin's earnings insights, and a $15,000 value toolkit, the $2,500 charter offer is a steal. With a predicted market shakeup on July 7, 2025, subscribers are positioned to profit from safe harbor stocks while dodging disasters. Whether chasing gains like Moderna's 1,808% or avoiding losses like Intel's, this service delivers the tools and confidence to succeed.